Today's video is going to be all about art tips and hacks. The first hack I want to share with you is how to keep your acrylic paints wet for a longer period of time. All you need to have is a water spray, and all you need to do is spray the top of your paint just once with some water, and after 30 minutes, I did a 30 minutes experiment, and you can see that the one which was not watered down is comparatively dry as compared to the one which was watered. So similarly, for example, if you are sitting down for 6 hours of work, I would say that you keep watering your palette after every 30 minutes so that the paint stays wet. And this tip totally works even if you're sitting directly under the fan or the air conditioner. The next tip or hack I want to share with you guys is to reuse all of the glass and plastic jars that you have in your homes. These could be a very good travel size dustbins for your sharpening peels. You wouldn't have to make a mess in your bag or your pencil case. All you have to do is carry with yourself a glass or a plastic jar, and when you're done sharpening your pencils, you have to put them in the jar, close the lid, and you're good to go. And just like that, the last hack and tip is to reuse all of the plastic cups and egg holders that you have at your place. Whenever I have to mix large quantities of paint, I use my plastic cups, but when I have to use a regular palette, I use these egg holders. You can use these egg holders again because the paint is completely dry, but if you want a clean palette, every time you sit and paint, you need to wash them as soon as you're done with that day's work. Over here, I'm showing you the clean version of the egg holder palette. I usually cut the flappy edge because I don't want the flap to irritate me while I'm mixing my paint, but you can totally use it to close off the palette, although it's not going to be airtight after that because it does have a gap inside it, but I wanted to show you how it actually looks. That was it for today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Until then, take care.